I love a good corned beef. I look forward to St. Patrick's Day every year because I know I'm going to have plenty of corned beef to eat for the entire week. So I make enough for leftovers so I can enjoy it in many different dishes, from corned beef Reubens to corned beef and cabbage to even corned beef hash in the mornings. Using my pressure cooker makes it really easy to cook perfect corned beef every time. I'm Jason Logston from Amazing Food Made Easy, and today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing pressure cooker corned beef that's going to blow you away. I really like to cure my own corned beef, and if that's something you're interested in, I have a link below that'll give you all the information you need. But this recipe works just as well with store-bought corned beef. When you traditionally braise corned beef, it can take 3 or 4 hours for it to be finished. The pressure cooker, it's a lot faster, usually around 60 to 90 minutes. It's about 20 to 25 minutes per pound of corned beef. I use a stovetop pressure cooker, and once it comes up to high pressure, I usually cook it for 60 to 90 minutes. That's kind of the sweet spot that I've found to always result in tender corned beef, depending on the size of the corned beef that I'm using. Before you cook it, you can also cut the corned beef into smaller slabs, and that does speed up the cooking time by 15 to 20%. Oftentimes when you use a pressure cooker to cook the corned beef, you have a little less liquid in it than you would when you traditionally braise it. Because of that, the corned beef can turn out a little more salty than you're expecting. If you're someone that really doesn't like that much salt, you can soak the corned beef ahead of time in some clean water and let it draw out some of the salt. 3 to 4 hours is generally enough, but some people do like to let it go overnight if they want to remove even more of the salt. For the recipe itself, place your brisket into your pressure cooker and add enough water or stock to cover it. I like to use some chicken stock or vegetable stock to add more flavor, but you can get away with just using plain water if you prefer. You can also add other spices and seasonings at this point. Many store-bought corned beef comes with little spice packets. You can add that to your pressure cooker or use some fresh garlic or onion and carrots. Anything that's going to add a little bit of flavor and aromatics to it. Seal your pressure cooker and bring it up to high pressure. Let it cook for 60 to 90 minutes until it's fully tenderized, and then naturally release the pressure. Carefully open the pressure cooker, remove the brisket, and now you're ready to serve it. I eat my corned beef in a lot of different dishes, from corned beef hash to corned beef Reubens, but regardless of how you serve it, you're going to love how moist and tender this corned beef turns out.